Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Misfits Market Madness box, which is their largest box. Misfits sends a subscription service weekly, a box of produce, and then you can add on items like other produce or pantry items. So basically, a little background on Misfits really quick is it's really an awesome company because they reduce food waste because they send produce that has been rejected for some reason. Some of it is perfectly, absolutely perfect produce that there was a surplus of, and other times it's produce that was like a zucchini that was too big or too small, so Walmart or another grocery store rejected it and said they didn't want it, and so Misfits then buys those and sends them out. So it reduces food waste, it's really good for the environment, it helps farmers, and all around it's just kind of really cool, and they have a really good mission behind what they do, and you get a really good price on produce that is still perfectly edible. It's also really cool because it's all organic. I'm pretty sure it's non-GMO. I'm not positive about that, but I'm positive it's all organic, which is also really cool. So this box retails for $35, plus, I believe it's plus shipping. And then I also have some add-in items in here as well that I'll show you. And we'll go ahead and get started. I wanted to also mention that this isn't sponsored. The company didn't reach out to me at all. I actually got a Facebook ad that prompted me to buy this during their Black Friday sale. So this got delivered a few hours ago, and it's been sitting on my counter till I could film. And this is the freezer pack, and it's still frozen. It's starting to melt, but there's still ice in there, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's in here. So I did add on a couple of bags of tortilla chips. So they feel like they're still pretty uncrushed and they're on the top of the box, which I appreciate. These are just garden of eaten, like I'm gonna eat these tortilla chips. It's cute. Okay. Strawberries. This was an add-on item that I added because I wanted to see how their out-of-season produce looked. I do like the way it's packaged, and I like that I'm pretty sure all of their packaging is recyclable, which is nice. Okay. These look really good, especially considering what the organic grocery stores or organic strawberries in grocery stores look like right now. I haven't been able to buy strawberries for a while because every time I go to the grocery store, they have some, but usually the organic ones are really gross and moldy and mushy. Green beans, organic green beans. A big bag of grapes, which organic grapes are so expensive, so I was really excited. These are nice and firm still. Let's see what this is. Let me grab some scissors. I do have a discount code that it's 25% off your box, I believe, so I'll leave that. I'll leave it on the screen a couple times throughout this video, and I'll also put it down in the description box. So there's 2 tomatoes in there, which still look really great. They're cold, which is nice. They're not like hot or mushy or anything. I got some mushrooms. The grapes were an add-on item, and I think the mushrooms may have also been an add-on item that I paid extra for. And just some more packaging. Let's see what, oh, blueberries. These were an add-on item because my son's like favorite thing to eat is blueberries. These look awesome. I did get some lettuce. This is a little beat up, but just a couple of leaves on the outside, but the inside still looks really good. And like the whole point of this, you know, is that some of it may not be perfectly aesthetically pleasing because that's the whole reason that it didn't want to get sold in Walmart. So like, for example, like it's kind of torn right here. There's a couple like on the outside leaves are torn, so, but it's still perfectly edible and the inside is still gorgeous. So got that little stray leaf came off in there. Okay, wow, the bottom of the box is just literally full of produce. Okay, so here's a cute little wonky bell pepper. You definitely would not see that in a grocery store. It's like short. Can you see that, Sean?
Oh, yeah.
So 2 like that. This one again is just kind of oddly shaped. And this one they're just oddly shaped, but they're firm and they're fresh. Like they're not, you know, they're nice how you want a bell pepper to feel. They're just kind of wonky shaped. This is a zucchini that's again a little bit oddly shaped. Another zucchini. And another zucchini. Those look good. Cucumber. I think I got 2 cucumbers. Oh, I dropped one. So this one has a couple spots that are a little soft, but that's okay because I'll just cut, when I'm cutting it, I'll just cut those out and still eat the rest of it. That way we're not wasting any food. All right, let's see what's in this box. Another one of those boxes. And again, this is like paper, not styrofoam or anything, so it can be recycled. So more tomatoes, 2 more tomatoes that look perfect. Okay, keep on going. So this carrot is probably just too big, I would guess, to be sold in the grocery store. It's just a really large carrot. This one is kind of wonky. You guys can see that it's got like a curve in it, like maybe there was like a root or another carrot that it was growing along and a crack in it, and it's just kind of short. Carrots, more carrots, and more carrots. See, this one is like a huge carrot. Can you guys see that? How big that carrot is? All right, carrot. Let's see. It's a nice big apple. So let's see if I can find all the apples now. Is that all the apples or was there more? Maybe just 1 apple. Oh no, there's more apples. Hello, here's another apple that just kind of has like a weird mark on it. Like on the outside of the skin. I think it's just a cosmetic mark. I believe these are some Granny Smith apples. Alright, now I think that would be all the apples. Alright, I'm running out of space. Let me move some of this. Over there. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so I did get a lot of pears. You can customize your box, and so I don't think they guarantee your customization. It's kind of just a request. You can request to customize it. And so that's what I did. And so I requested a lot of pears because out of the options they had, that's kind of one of the fruit that I wanted to have in the house and that I think Cooper will eat, my 2-year-old. And so I got a few different kinds, and I don't normally buy a lot of pears in the grocery store. I mean, obviously I've had pears and stuff, but I just don't ever buy them for some reason. So I'm not super familiar with the different varieties, but they had options. So I just kind of picked a few different kinds, and I don't even really know what they're called. I got some of these ones. I thought they were pretty. So I'm sure they'll be delicious too. So we've got a lot of pears. So I'm definitely going to be slicing those up and making sure that they get eaten. Okay, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, I believe, pears. Okay, so then I got some sweet potatoes. So here are some sweet potatoes. So these ones just have, like, I think they're called bore holes, like little holes that go through them. There's nothing wrong with them though. So I would wash off sweet potatoes anyway that I bought in the grocery store. So looks like we have, see, like that has some hole, like some bore holes through it. If you can see that, I hope it's focusing. But there's nothing wrong with it. It's still very edible. So I got 2 little ones and then 3 big sweet potatoes. And a couple onions. So 2 onions. And I got red potatoes and russet potatoes. So I got 4 little red potatoes, which is honestly the perfect amount if we were having like fried potatoes with our like breakfast or something for my family. 4 potatoes would be enough right now. I've got a 9-month-old who eats, we're kind of doing a mix of table-led weaning. So he does eat our food that we eat, and then a 2-year-old and me and my husband. So, and same with 4 russet potatoes. I feel like, again, for if this was just like a side for something, or if I was doing like, excuse me, cut fried potatoes, I feel like that would be plenty for us. So that is everything. So here's the box, empty, and it did have like this insulation that covered the food to get for it while it was in transit. It came on time. I'm really happy with it. I'm excited to just anything at this point that can be delivered to my house is a win for me, especially food and things like that, because that's usually what I end up having to go out for if I have to leave the house or anything. And I'm excited. I love it because it's good for the farmers, it's good for the environment, like it's good for my wallet. It's just really good all around. So, and I'm really happy with everything. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment box for me, and I will catch you guys in the next one. And again, I'll leave my discount code here. I'll leave it down in the description box. It's, I believe, 25% off your box, and then I think I also get 25% off of my next box if you sign up. So make sure you use that code, and let me know if you want to see more of these, because I definitely think that I'm going to get these. Right now, I'm kind of thinking this is probably enough for 2 weeks if I pick up a few produce here and there. Like I'll still have to buy bananas and things like that from the grocery store, and I'll probably end up getting this every 2 weeks, this Madness box. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.